Good job, Jake. Damn, that was an awesome cast. Dude. Bring it in, bring it in. Woo! Good job. That's not a cat. We're at Fireman's Park with the family. See if we can get anything for these guys. So whoever gets a fish today gets 10 bucks. If they don't get a fish, they still get 5 bucks for trying. They're trying to trick me, get more money off of me. Allie, come! Come, Allie, hurry! Here, Allie, hurry! Bring it in, bring it in! Bring it in, bring it in! Look, Allie! Your first fish! Here, you gotta hold this. Not the fish, hold this. Look over here. Smile, Allie. You gotta hold right here. He's not gonna do nothing to you. Right there, perfect. See there, buddy? Oh, look here, there. Oh, he let go, he let go.
What? Did you do that?
Not on purpose. There you go. They're getting yours. They're trying to. Oh, just leave it there. Let them hook. Once you see them taking off with it, that means that, yeah, you got them.
No, they're going to you. Go to me.
Whichever one you get, it's yours.
I need $10. No way. I just took it and left.
Wow. You don't like those little things, right? Oh, I guess the wild ones, these guys already know what they like, man. Bread and wings. Okay. Throw it in there. There you go, right there. And just leave it there, Leah. This one's yours. Yeah, no, they're biting it. Hold on, Pa. We're trying to see if Leah can get one real quick.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Reel it in, Leah. Reel it in. You got a fish. Still have it or no? Woo, good job. That's your first bass, Mama. Good job. Reel it in, reel it in. Come on. Woo! Good job. Let's see. Look over here, look over here.
Oh my god!
Leah got her first bass. Good job, baby. Look.
And that's not the little baby one. I'm getting $10.
You're getting $10. Allie's getting $10.
Jake, and now it's your turn. For sure. I want to throw it.
Oh, sorry.
You're like me. You got a fish.
Good job, Jake. Damn, that was an awesome cast. Dude, I can't believe both of you have caught a bass. Jake, you caught your first bass here a long time ago, but you did. And Leah, you caught your first bass here. Now we just need Allie to catch a bass. Oh yeah, and you caught a turtle here too one time.